My first question is, how many Planned Parenthood clinics have mammogram machines?
There aren't any Planned Parenthood clinics. I believe, to the best of my knowledge, not any have mammogram machines at their facility.
If you look at the 2013 statistics that you report, abortions from revenue would have been over 86% of your non-government revenue. How do you explain this massive disparity between the amount of revenue you collect from abortion and the fact that you only report 3% of your services being abortion?
Well, I think there's two questions you've sort of mixed in there, so let me try to address both. One is, as we've already stated, Federal money does not go for abortion, so the Federal portion that we were discussing is reimbursement for preventive care services. I think the other, so that's why they're not, those numbers aren't connected.
How many, can you tell me how many of your affiliates receive the majority of their revenue from abortion?
I don't know that answer.
Could you get it for me?
I'll talk to my team.
Thanks. The taxpayers are funding over 40% of Planned Parenthood. And my point is, they just have a right to know how this money is being spent.
Absolutely.
And if taxpayer dollars are being used to free up services that you provide that are aberrant services in the view of many taxpayers, when there are alternatives in this country, many, 13,000 clinics that cater specifically to women's health. Let me ask you this. Could you function on non-Federal dollars? Why do you need Federal dollars? You're making a ton of dough.
We don't make any profit off of Federal money, and if I could just have a moment to explain.
But you're using Federal dollars and displacing money that could go to the 13,000 health care clinics. My time's up. I yield back.